So hello guys, welcome to another lecture. In previous lecture we have seen 4 properties of Fourier series: linearity property, shifting in time domain, time reversal and conjugation symmetry property. In this lecture we will see another classification of properties. So as we know, conjugation symmetry property which was 4th property. Conjugation symmetry property was if xt has Fourier series coefficient as ak, then x conjugate of t will have Fourier series coefficient as a conjugate of minus k. Means conjugation in one domain results conjugation and reversal in another domain. So let us see some special cases. Let us say xt is real. When xt is real, it means x conjugate of t is same as xt. So we can write a conjugate of minus k is same as ak, or replace k with minus k. In this we can write a conjugate of k is a of minus k. It means we can see if xt is real, then ak is imaginary, because conjugation of ak is reversing in frequency domain. So when xt is real and even, then it means x conjugate of t, as xt is real, it means x conjugate of t is xt, and xt is even, so x of minus t is x of t. It means a of minus k will be ak because of this property, and a conjugate of k, a conjugate of minus k will be a of k. So in this replace k with minus k, a conjugate of k is a of minus k and a of minus k is ak, so a conjugate of k will be ak. So we can see this is real and even. So if xt is real and even, then its Fourier series coefficients are also real and even. Let us see one another special case. When xt is real and odd. Xt is real and odd, it means x conjugate of t is x of t. It means a conjugate of minus k is ak, and xt is odd, it means x of minus t is minus of x of t. It means a of minus k is minus of a of k. In this replace k with minus k, a conjugate of k is a of minus k, and a of minus k is minus of ak. means minus of ak. It means we can say this is real if xt is real and odd in time domain, then its Fourier series coefficients are also real and odd. Real and odd. No, this is not real. If conjugation of ak is giving minus ak, it means it is imaginary. Imaginary and odd. Because a of minus k is minus of ak and a conjugate of k is minus of ak. It means it is imaginary plus odd. Now let us see one another special case when xt is imaginary and even. Imaginary plus even. If xt is imaginary plus even, it means x of minus t is x of t means a of minus k is a of k. Okay. X conjugate of t is minus of x of t because it is imaginary. So a conjugate of k is minus of ak. A conjugate of minus k, replacing k with minus k, became minus of ak. This is a conjugate. Actually, this is a conjugate of minus k. It's minus of ak. Now replace k with minus k. So a conjugate of k will be minus of a of minus k. It means this is imaginary and even in time domain. Then in frequency domain, this is also imaginary and even, because this says that it is imaginary, this says that it is even.